Hello, Elite. Welcome back to Amplify Your Digital Footprint Summit. And this is the second series where we are talking about personal branding. And for this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to design your business card with Canva. Alright? So, I will just show you how to do that, right? And I'm sure you know what a business card is. A business card is a tangible representation of your brand. It should be professional, memorable, and it should be reflective of your personal style, right? Now let's design one. It's going to be very simple. We're going to be using Canva. Do not be afraid to get creative, right? Use high quality materials and let your designs be unique. All right. Oh, forgive me because I'm yawning. I've been sitting down making videos almost all day, right? But I'll just take a little break after this series of personal branding, and I'll just go on, because of course we have to finish the training. All right, so let's head on to Canva and let's design a business card. So what you want to do is to go over to Canva, and then we can go ahead to select a template, right? We can just go ahead, I don't know if you know how to use Canva. For those of you that are new to Canva, but maybe one of these days in my free time I should be able to make a video showing you how to use Canva. Canva is one of the best apps I've come across in my life. Canva is amazing. Canva is a lifesaver. So just come over. I can go over to create a design. You can either create a design over here or come to this place here, and you can type in business card, right? So you can either go for template or all your content. If I click on my content, let me just see, because I've made a couple of business card. I've made some card with Canva, so I think that's what you want to show me now, right? And most of this business card I make is for the money point. I work with money point, right? So this is some of the business cards that I made for myself and my colleague. This is for my colleague Nuruddin. I made this for him. So this is his business card. Where are the other ones? So let me show you the other business card. Right, so let me see this other one. I think this one is for now. Let it open up. Oh, this is for Francis Ebishi. Francis has been a blessing to my life, by the way. So this is the business card I made for him with Canva. This is beautiful, don't you think, guys? Let me go and search for the business card I made for myself. I don't know. So the whole point is just me telling you. Okay, I think this is a business card I made for myself. The reason why all these cards are having the same color is because of the company that we work with is Money Point, and of course Money Point brand colors is blue and white, right? So that's why we are I'm using the brand colors to make the business cards, right? That's why all the cards are blue. It's not because it's only blue colors, right? So this is my own business card. If you have interacted with me before, I probably have given you my business card. I have a lot of it with me, and I give it out. I use it to network when I go and I'm trying to build connections related to money points. Then when I'm trying to build connections relating to maybe Skills Summit or any other thing I do, I have another card for that. All right, so let's go ahead and let's create a business card, right? This video is probably going to be up to 10 minutes because I want to show you how to create a business card. So let's check for template. Business card templates, right? Okay, so we have different types. Look at, there are so many, so you can just go ahead and choose the one you want. So I want something very simple. I want to make a business card showing that I am the team lead at SkillSync Summit, right? Or better still, a convener at skill, or maybe project manager for SkillSync Summit. So I want to make a business card to show that. So I'm taking this template. You can choose any template you like, right? So I'm choosing this template, and then I'm just go ahead and click on customize. So this is me showing you how to do this. Okay, now the first thing I'd like to do, the first thing that I want you to do is to consider the brand colors. For SkillSync Summit, I've mentioned that our brand colors is green and white, green and gold, you know. So but then we have to use white because it's neutral, and black. So I'll just go ahead and change these things immediately. Change the colors to reflect the brand colors, right? I'll just go ahead to change the colors to reflect SkillSync Summit brand colors, because I want to make a business card to show that I am a project manager, or I am the project manager for SkillSync Summit. All right, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll just go ahead and change the colors first of all, right? I don't know if this is the one I want to change. I want to change this to white. So you see how Canva makes it very easy for you to edit, right? You just have to just copy and paste, just click and make adjustments, very easy. So I just go ahead, and you see all these sessions here. I'll go ahead and put in my details. I'll change the logo, put my number, put my email, or post SkillSync Summit email, you know, put the website and all of these things, right? So let me just go ahead and do that. All right, I've gone ahead to put my name, put my position as a project manager, put the name of the company, the motto, and all of these other details. Oh, my battery is down. All right, let me just go ahead and on the socket. Okay, all right, so put this was white, but then I changed the color to black, you know, so that it can just be black is better here. So I want to just change the logo. So I wanted to just do this so that you can see. I first delete this logo, and then I just go to my upload, because this logo is already here. I just drag it, I go to this border, I do corner rounding just to make the edges round, right? And then I may want to reduce it a little bit, and then I drag it to this point, and I'm done. So take a look at this business card. It's beautiful because it has my number, it has my name, it has my title, my position in this company, this organization, has the mail of the organization, right? Because I want, this is the mail I want to put here, but you can just put your mail, the website, location, and this is the back, right? And this is the front view. I think this is beautiful, and because it's simple, it's beautiful. Sometimes beauty, I like to say there's beauty in simplicity, right? There's beauty in simplicity. Sometimes all you need to do is something very simple, very basic, and then it is just all you need, right? So I can just go ahead and and download this. So once you do this, whatever company it is you're working with, whatever it is you're doing, you should try your best to have a business card. You can do this, with Canva, and this is a free template. You don't have to have Canva Pro to get this done. So you do something as simple as this with Canva. You go ahead to click on the share button, click on download right here, and click on option download. Or before that, you can also go and rename it over here so that it will not be difficult when you are looking for the file in your laptop. You can just go and edit the name. You can just call it, I would like to call it Skill Sync Summit's SSS business card, right? So for me, I know that Skill Sync's SSS in all my files in this PC means Skill Sync Summit. So once I name it like this, it's easier for me to find the file. I can now go ahead and download, right? Once you download this file, you can just go ahead to the printing shop and let them print it out for you, right? And then you have your beautiful business card and you're ready to network. I want you to take note of very key things in this business card: the brand colors. You see that I use the brand colors, right? I use green, I use gold, I use black, I use white. This is the brand colors, though this is not the gold that we use, but we can actually go with it. The point is to incorporate the brand colors into your business card, right? And then you can see how this is minimalistic, then this is unique, this is sleek, this is beautiful. All right, so guys, I think this has brought us to the end of this video, and as usual, I'd like you to go ahead and like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this channel, and of course guys, you are premium. Peace out guys, I love you.